Welcome back. I'll be taking part 2 of this cache memory, and here I discussed about cache consistency. Okay, so here this cache consistency has to achieve following things. What is called snoop cache snoop. Okay, and which is nothing but so any updation happen between the cache and main memory, it has to be watched through address line. Okay, that is a DB snooping. Then what is snarp? Okay, so it is nothing but the cache data information from data line so to cache memory, that is a DB snarp. Okay, and what is called 30 data in cache memory. So this is nothing but suppose we modified data. Actually what we are doing, so so some part of data we are loading in cache memory. This CPU fetching such a data and speed up the process, so we are achieving something, some task completed. Okay, so now suppose the CPU want to modify some data, but this data is piece of this RAM. Okay, suppose the modified data update in cache memory, but same data modification not update in main memory or RAM, then this is said with 30 data. Okay, what is called stale data? Okay, so now some multi-processor system and CPU may be using some data from cache memory, also from RAM. Okay, for example, I said copy of this, small copy of this RAM is nothing but cache memory. Okay, so now some CPU modified data present particular location which is also present in cache memory. So but modification happen in RAM but not updated in cache memory, then it is said to be stale data. Okay, so then we need to know some more concept here. What is the cache architecture? So cache architecture, how it will be, and this will be classified into 4 type based upon reading and writing operation. So here two characteristics of actually two characteristics, but 4 technique we are following. Okay, so now read architecture, write policies, are two characteristics. And what is called read architecture? So here read architecture again classified into look a side and look through, and for write policy it have write back and write through. Okay, and so I'll be discussing this terminology now. Okay, so now what happen in look a side cache memory. So I'll be discussing this concept with diagram in next video. Thank you for watching.